What does your daily commute look like? Do you have to struggle against endless traffic to and from work day in and day out? You're not alone. Major cities such as Istanbul, Moscow, and Mumbai suffer from the worst cases of traffic congestion every day. Residents in these cities waste more than 100 hours every year just sitting in traffic. Aside from the wasted time, traffic congestions cause additional fuel consumption, severely impact the mobility of residents in cities, lower air quality, and directly contribute to global warming. This is why urban planners and organizations such as the UN have been calling for the implementation of sustainable and reliable transportation networks in cities. When done right, people will have affordable access to efficient and reliable public transit, and in turn, mitigate impacts on the environment and increase livability. This is evident in the Netherlands capital, Amsterdam. The city actively encourages the use of sustainable transport such as bicycling or riding the tram or railway and discourages the usage of automobiles within the city by moving large freeways to be around the city. Help shape cities to become more sustainable and join us in IEREK's third edition of the International Conference on Urban Transit and Sustainable Networks. The conference will take place on the 30th of May, 2023, in collaboration with the American University of Malta in Copiscua, Malta. Contact us to have a chance for your paper to be published by Springer in the Scopus indexed ASTI book series. Thank you.